Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to create a sticker peeling effect on your text. The way to do that, you just need to use Canva or and your phones, or maybe you want to use your Canva desktop. Open it, make a new project, and then insert a text. So for example, I'm going to type Tong tips like this, and then change the font onto a bold font. For me, I would like to use this Blanca font, this one. And now you just need to increase the size of the font like this. One more time, and then click effect, and then add an outline effect, this one. And then I would like to change the color of the outline onto I think this green color. And for the text, I would like to change it onto, I think I will use this red color. Okay, and after that you just need to add an element of a corner paper, this one, and then search it, and you need to use these three graphic element that or any element that look like this. So I'm using this one and adding it onto the page like this. Increase the size of it, and I think I'm going to put it on this first letter, the T letter and the O, and don't forget to make it forward. Okay, like this, and then positioning it this. Increase the size. I think I will put it there. And now after that, you just need to add a shapes to cover the leftover element. Okay, I'm going to add these shapes onto this and then change the color as same as a background color, just like that. Okay, put it there. Place it here, increase the size like this and like this, positioning it. Okay, now I would like to move it a little bit there, just like this. And if you see, there's a little bit of a corner like that. If you want to erase this one, you can just draw a line onto it using this draw tools, and then change the color as same as the background color. Now you just need to swipe the object that you want to remove like this, and wait for a moment, little bit more on this side. Okay, and when it's done, you just need to save this design, or maybe you can use the apps design to image, this one, and then convert the page onto an image, increase the size of the pixel, and export. And when it's finished, it will be look like this. You can delete this one, delete it, delete all of the object on this design, and it will be look like this. Now the next step, you just need to click the image and then click Magic Studio, and then remove the background from the image like this. Wait for a moment, and now it's done. As you can see, now the text have a effect that look like a sticker, peeling off sticker. And then I will change the background. Okay, like this. Sorry, let me delete this element. And like this. You can adding more onto it by adding a shadow. Click effect, add a shadow, and add a curve shadow, this one. And for the blur amount, you need to increase it like this, and for the distance, you need to decrease it onto 20. this, and for the curve you can decrease it onto 25, and for the intensity you can increase it to 70. And just like that, the design it's done. And that's the way how to add a peeling off sticker effect onto your text using Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.